A humble beginning, Python's creation.
Python was created in the late 1980s by Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum. Launched in 1991, it was designed to be easy to read and simple to use, qualities inspired by the ABC language. Guido wanted a programming language that emphasized code readability, making programming more accessible for everyone. These early intentions shaped the foundation for Python's future popularity.
Gaining ground, the 1990s and community growth.
Throughout the 1990s, Python's popularity grew steadily thanks to its clean syntax and active community. Open-source licensing encouraged collaboration and sharing. Early web frameworks and libraries helped Python find supporters in universities and research labs. By 2000, the release of Python 2.0 included major features like garbage collection and Unicode support, further expanding its adoption.
A versatile tool, Python in startups and web development.
Python proved ideal for startups due to its rapid development capabilities and broad ecosystem of third-party packages. Web frameworks like Django and Flask made it easy to launch web applications quickly. Many successful tech companies, including Instagram and Dropbox, used Python to grow their platforms, inspiring others to choose Python for its agility and support.
Driving the future, Python for AI and data science.
Python's simplicity and extensive libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch made it the go-to language for artificial intelligence and data science. The rise of machine learning and big data transformed Python into a critical tool for researchers and businesses alike. Its syntax allowed scientists and analysts to prototype quickly and share complex ideas with ease.
Shaping tomorrow, Python in education and beyond.
Educators around the world turn to Python because of its easy learning curve, clear syntax, and immediate feedback. It became a favorite for teaching coding fundamentals and problem-solving skills. Today, Python's influence stretches across technology, science, education, and business, cementing its place as the world's most popular programming language.